Hello my YouTube friends, and welcome to another episode of Magnum Videos. It's a beautiful day today. This is January the 14th. It is currently 28 degrees here in Kansas City. We have a little bit of snow on the ground that fell last night. And I have been looking at audio enhancements for the Osmo, and that's what this video is about. So let's get started. All right, as anyone who has an Osmo knows, the audio quality on the onboard mic is pretty much crappy. So I've been looking at different options on how to attach a video mic and different ways to enhance the audio, but I thought before spending any more money, I wanted to check and test the little Flexi Mic that came with the Osmo. I've never tried it, so I'm going to do a little short video with the Osmo. I'm going to start out with just the onboard camera and talk, and then I'm going to plug in the little Flexi Mic and record that audio, and we'll see how it comes out. Now, I'm not expecting anything fabulous, but I'm thinking that it might be good enough that I could use this instead of investing in additional microphones and attachments. So let's get started on the test. Alrighty, this is a test using the onboard mic of the DJI Osmo Plus. So we're just going to, I'm just basically walking through the great room here and recording at my normal volume into the onboard mic. So this will pretty much conclude this test, and we will plug the Flexi Mic in and see how it comes out. All right, I'm talking at the same level I was before, but we have the Flexi Mic plugged in, and it is on the opposite side of the camera, away from me. So let me do a rotation here and see how it differs from the previous way with the microphone pointed toward me. This is going to take a minute here. All right, now I have the microphone pointed toward me. I have the camera pointed away from me, obviously, and I'm talking at the same level I was before. So I think that should be enough to conclude this test. Alrighty, I thought I would do one more test here. When I listened to the audio with the gain set at 50%, it just seemed very overdone. So I went back into the camera settings and changed it to the default setting, which is 30. So I'm hoping that this sounds better than the 50%, and I think that should be enough talking so that you can get an idea of what it sounds like. So I'll be back in just one moment. Alrighty then, there you have it. That was the test of the Osmo audio system, and in my opinion, the Flexi Mic at the default setting sounds pretty acceptable to me. I mean, this is a YouTube amateur video production channel, so I don't see anything wrong with that. I can't justify spending additional money on a more expensive microphone, since this seems to me to be more than acceptable. I'd like your opinion. The beginning video and this final video sequence is filmed with the Canon 70D using the onboard mic. So, and in my opinion, that mic is not that bad either. So, I think that's it for now. If you have an Osmo and you haven't tried that Flexi Mic yet, you might want to give it a shot, because I'm pretty impressed, actually. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, and until I speak with you again, and even after that, you stay focused.